after our body an amazing machine, we will discuss about our digestive system. Children, you know that our body is an amazing machine. It is a biggest machine. And for the machine, what we need? We need fuel now. Whether it is electricity in form of electricity or fossil fuel like petrol and diesel. But every machine needs some fuel. Similarly, our body also needs fuel. And the fuel is in form of food. What we are eating. Okay? So children, why we eat food? We eat food to grow, to keep our body healthy and to get energy. But what the food we are eating, can we utilize it directly? No, never. Okay? For it, we have to break it into a smaller form, okay? A simple form. So the process of breaking down food from a complex form to a simple form is known as digestion. We need to digest the food, okay? And to breaking down from complex form to simple form is known as digestion. And this process is carried out by a different organ. Number of organs involved in this particular work, okay? Together they are working for this, for digestion of food. And these all organs together form digestive system. So the organ is there: mouth, food pipe, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. These all are the organs which help in digestion of the food. And these all organs form together a system known as digestive system. Okay? They are doing teamwork. All are working for a single purpose. And digestion started from mouth. First of all, we used to eat food and it goes into a mouth. So first halt of the food is mouth only. In the mouth, what is there? There is a teeth, there is a tongue. Okay? With the teeth, we used to chew the food properly. Why we are chewing the food properly? To break it into a smaller piece. So your mother and father all time they used to say, chew the food properly, don't swallow it. Okay, directly. It is better to chew it nicely. And when we are chewing the food, one process is going on there. By the salivary gland, one enzyme saliva goes into your mouth. And with the help of tongue, this saliva mix with the food, and when the saliva which comes from salivary gland mix properly with the food and it start digesting carbohydrate and convert it into sugar. So when you are chewing the food, you feel its taste becomes sweet. Why it is sweet? Because it is converting into sugar. But here digestion is started. It is not completed. Just now it is started. Okay, the process is started in the mouth. After that, the food goes into the food pipe, and through the food pipe it goes into the stomach. In the food pipe, there no digestion takes place. Only it is a way from mouth to stomach. In the stomach, again the digestion of food take place. Here protein digested. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. Here you can see a coiled tube, okay? And it is very large, but its name is small intestine, and it is taken this much space only. In the small intestine, the digestion of food completed with the help of juice which comes from small intestine, pancreas and liver. All secrete juice and give it to in a small intestine where digestion of food completed. All protein, carbohydrate and fats. Okay. So after the completion of digestion, the food is absorbed by the blood. So what we can say, in a small intestine, digestion completed. In the mouth it started and then small intestine it's completed. After that undigested food goes into a large intestine where absorption of water takes place, and then rest of the undigested food throw out from our body through rectum and anus. So this is only the process of digestion and how the digestive system works. Thank you.